What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Kaspa. And that being said, don't forget, guys, you need this. I've said it so many times. You need a Tangent wallet. This is where you store your crypto. This is where I store mine. I don't have an affiliate link. I just go straight to their website and I purchase one. You need this. But anyways, today we're about to do exactly what we do every day. Okay, we're about to look at the market, see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Look at our positions, exactly mine. You can follow along, just compare your positions with mine and see exactly what's going on. See how good we are doing, how bad, how maybe it's just going sideways. Okay, and we're also going to look at the prices in a little much details. I've just noticed that lately I was just kind of brushing them off fast. I think we need to start looking at them again in a bit more details. But anyways, before we do all that, I want to talk to you guys about this wealth transfer that we're talking about, how you can make more money. That's what I want to talk about, you guys, today. I'm just trying to touch on that. The way I choose to do it this time is by leverage trading. But before, hold on your horses, hold on. Before you jump into your leverage trading, you need to figure out, what do you want to do? Do you want to go into a daily trader? Okay, do you want to go into a daily trader? Is that what you want to be? Or do you want to be a seasoned trader, which is long term? Or do you want to be trading based on the support and resistance on the charts? Also looking around the public sentiment on that particular project or that particular asset that you are trading. Those are things that you need to ask yourself. Myself, everybody's different. Everybody's different. Some people have the time to sit over there in front of the computer all day looking at it. Others don't. Somebody like me, I don't. So myself, I chose to trade, okay, based on support and resistance for my short-term trades, and I chose the season trading. Now, I'm gonna tell you the reason why. The reason why I choose this support and resistance is because, first of all, you make quick money with that. I know it's not, they don't hit every day, they don't come every week like you want to, but if you really follow that pattern, you're going to make more money than somebody trading every day. Because when you're trading every day, your losses, if you balance your losses and your losses and your wins, your losses and your wins, you might fall a little bit above. But when you trade based on support and resistance, you make more money like that. Like, for example, when Kaspa, I'm gonna use Kaspa as an example. Okay, when I remember doing my technical analysis on Kaspa when it was 5 cents, I think. Okay, and I said to myself, this thing is going to 15 cents. So I enter my leverage trade on that short. So as soon as it got to 15 cents, okay, as soon as it got to 15 cents, I closed it. So I remember making substantial amount of money like that. Again, price dropped down to was it 11 or 13 cents? I entered another trade, which which every day I've been telling you guys my supports and resistance lines that I'm looking to take profits on that short-term trade. Now, let's fast forward for my long-term trade. I will use Kaspa again. I enter my long-term trade on Bydfi. Kaspa was around 1 cent, I think it was. I entered and I scaled it up. No, sorry, it was about 7 cents. I entered it and I scaled it up. So now all these short-term trades, when you compare them with the amount of money I am looking to make for my seasonal or slash long-term trade, you can't. You can't. Because in this seasonal trade, if Kaspa goes to $4, my seasonal trade is looking to make me probably $300,000 to $400,000. That's what I'm looking to make. Or if Kaspa goes to $10, like I'm telling you guys it will, I am looking to make close to $1 million with that trade. So that is the good thing about trading seasonal. Okay, when I trade that, it will take probably 10 months or 11 months or whatever. But once it gets there, you are going to make man, I can't really explain it. The feelings you will get is different. Now versus daily trading. On daily trades, you can get up and the trade is going good right now. Before you know it, it flips. And there you go. You hit your stop loss and you lose that money. Okay, like for example, there was a lot of people who were trading Bitcoin. All of a sudden, I know a friend of mine that was trading Bitcoin, and he had because he had asked me about it. He had asked me about like what do you recommend? It's like, do you recommend getting into a Bitcoin trade? And I was like, nah, really. I don't do leverage trade on Bitcoin, but you go ahead and do you. And his trade was doing perfectly good, guys. It was doing good. Bitcoin went to $70,000. He was doing perfectly good. And what happened? Somebody, somehow, somewhere, decided to move $2 billion worth of Bitcoin. And what kicked in? FUD. FUD kicked in. Oh, they're about to sell it. Oh, they're about to do this. Bitcoin. I saw Bitcoin crashing from $70,000 to $64,000. And he lost that trade. You see where I'm going with this? So like it depends on you guys. I know somebody else, okay, the same guy, not somebody else, the same guy. He entered a trade on Solana, and y'all know exactly how I feel about Solana. And I was telling him like, dude, you shouldn't do this. He entered a trade on Solana. But the news, it was like, oh, there is news that Solana is getting an ETF, and I said, dude. I think we are going to see the pigs fly first before Solana gets that ETF, because everybody, when they kind of figure out that Solana is a piece of crap coin, everybody would jump ship. They would jump ship, and that's what happened. Solana price was going up, which I told him is a manipulation. When they say that, price went up, and the SEC come out and be like, nah, we are not approving. Solana has no no ETF. And what happened? Look at Solana now. Look at Solana now. Anyways, like that's what I'm telling you. There are those risks right there. But when you choose an asset that you know is going to go up, and you have that asset, you can trade it seasonal, and you can also trade it on the short-term basis. Because right now, Kaspa is about to enter into price discovery. Okay, excuse me. Kaspa is about to enter price discovery, and we know the all-time high was 19.5. Okay, so when it shoots up there, I can tell you Kaspa is probably going to hit the $40. Oh, sorry, 40 cents. Once it hit the 40 cents, now we know the previous all-time high was 19.20 cents. So I'm gonna wait. Once I take my profits up there on my short-term trade, I'm gonna wait for the price to probably come down to 30 or 25-ish cents. Once it comes down to 25 or 20, close to that, 22, 23 cents, I will enter my next trade. Wait for Kaspa to create another all-time high. You understand? So that is how it works. You need to choose what you want to do. You can't just get into leverage trading just like that. So yeah, you need to choose. You need to see what you really want. You can't just you cannot just jump into leverage trading because anybody told you to do so. That is not the right way to do it. Jump into it knowing what you want and work on that. Trust me, when you work on what you want, you are going to get it a lot quicker than just jumping in blindly. I don't know if I'm explaining myself. That's why my positions are so successful, because I know what I want and I set my goals based on what I want. You understand? So you have I have my seasonal trades, which are doing exceptionally well. As you can see, every day I show you guys my positions. And my short-term trades, you can see they go up and down, and I'm not worried about them, because guess what? Once they hit those points that I'm looking at, I'm gonna take profits. You understand? So yeah, that's the point I wanted to make. Short-term trades, yeah, you are gonna make money, but you will make a lot more money if you start trading seasonal. Once the bull run is about to start, you put in your leverage trade and try to close it at the top or closer to the top of the bull run. You are going to make a lot of money that way, versus trying to worry every day what the price is doing if you want to enter or close and all that stuff. You understand? I hope I'm making sense here. But anyways, now let's go right quick. Let's go do what we do every day. Let's go look at this the market right quick. First, we're about to start with the crypto bubbles. Crypto bubbles. As you can see, for the last hour, everything looks green, but we're interested in only 3 coins. Everything else, well, everything else is like okay. But okay, let's look at, first of all, King Kaspa. As you can see, whoa, congratulations to all of you who have been following me, and if you had your trades open, because I know right now you are sitting in some good money. So as you can see, Kaspa, for the past hour, we are up 0.4%, 2.3% up on the day, 11% up on the week, and 1.5% up on the month. Now let's look at Quant QNT. We go there. Quant right now we have 0.5% down on the day, 0.5% down on the hour, 4.7% down on the day, 6.4% down on the week, 10.4% down on the month. And now we're gonna go look at Jasmy, Jasmy. Okay, as you can see, Jasmy is doing the same thing too. We have 0.9% up on the hour, 1.7% down on the day, 12.3% up on the week, 8.2% up on the month. And look at the yearly. The yearly is also jumping up, 693% up on the year. So now let's go look at price in more details in our trading view right quick. Let's go right quick right here. So we can start there. We're about to start with Kaspa, KS. Okay, Phemex. Okay, as you can see, yesterday I told you guys Kaspa was gonna make this move, and a lot of people who paid attention to it, that's exactly what happened. We are on the 4 hourly. Okay, so let me let me start first on the 1 hour to show you guys right quick on the 1 hour, and I will move it this way. So you do remember, told you guys price was going to break above this resistance. Okay, as you can see, price broke above resistance. We came back, retest. Crypto always does this. Came back, retest, and now we are moving to the upside. Okay, I told you guys this is just the start of a bigger move, because Kaspa was in this symmetrical triangle. Now let me zoom it out a little quick on the daily. See, Kaspa was in this symmetrical triangle, and this is what was going on. If you follow my channel, you will know I've had this uptrend line for the longest, and now we are breaking above it. Okay, we are breaking above it. So we had a resistance, that's why we had a tough time getting above it on this. We had a previous resistance right here at 18.2, if you remember, and we also had a big resistance at the top of the triangle right here at 18.6 or 18.9, depends on how you draw your lines. That is what was holding Kaspa up. Right now we are breaking above it, and the target of this, let me zoom it out a little bit on the week. on the weekend, then you can see the target above it is all the way up there at let me try to zoom out, try to zoom it out a little bit. Take that out. Bring out my arrow. The target of the triangle is up there at 20, almost 30 cents. 30 cents on the dollar. That's what we're looking at right now. But we already know how Kaspa usually do. Kaspa usually shoot up all the way higher than most people expect. So I'm expecting this move to probably go up to 40 or 45 cents. I will keep monitoring the market to see exactly how things unfold. But as you can see, this move, we've been anticipating it for the longest, and I've been telling you guys for the past week right now, something like that this was going to happen. Now let's go look at Quant right quick, because Quant, this is where a lot of people are having their doubts. When I tell you guys, like, you got to be patient. Let me see Quant, QNT, Quant right here on Binance. That's the one I'm using. This is where people are having a lot of problems right now on Quant. And I keep telling you guys, like, Quant is facing that uptrend movement. Okay, we were doing perfectly good. Everything was doing good. The only bad thing about Quant is that the price is very correlated with Bitcoin. Whatever Bitcoin does, Quant is going to do. But Quant right now is not going lower. Quant has already, if you really see, this is the same levels that we was like a couple days ago. The same level where we broke above it. Now Bitcoin is about to reverse. You're about to see Quant start to reverse. So this second shoulder is still in effect. Quant is about to reverse, and what I'm expecting, okay, what I'm expecting for Quant, let me go here, let me try to move it. What I'm expecting for Quant, again, is just like it did. See how we touched that support? Quant is going to start coming right back up here, trying to break this support, resistance at $72, $73. That's why you see it right here. I've had this line for the longest. Soon as we break it, go above it, turn into support, and Quant will start moving up, trying to go towards that $80 resistance. That is what is going to happen with Quant. If you move this on the, let me see, 1 hour, right there, 1 hour, you see it perfectly. The price right now, we are about to start again, the same movement all over again. Oh, sorry, let me go on the daily right quick. Let me go on the daily, that way you can see it a little more clear. Right here, let me go on the daily. Like I told you, Quant was forming this inverse head and shoulder, and everything was going good until Bitcoin dumped. So first shoulder right here, that is the head, and this is the second shoulder we are forming right now. So I don't see the reason why you should panic. And in fact, you should not even panic at all, because the first Fibonacci line is way above us, which is at $128. That is where this thing is about to get will get gravitated to. You see here, once this inverse head and shoulder completes, we break the resistance above the $80. The target here is all the way here, $94.95. Once we get that 95 target reach, it's 104. Everything is moving smoothly. Guys, the next 3 months are going to be life-changing for anybody holding Quant. Like I'm telling you guys, look, if you look on the weekly, let me see. See, this is what I'm telling you guys. I do the Fibonacci retracement, and this is the first, from the all-time high to the all-time low of Quant. This is the first line of main resistance. So what you're looking at right here, this is just the start of this bigger move. Okay, Quant is about to start taking up. I will not recommend you guys, panic sell. Okay, it's not financial advice, but I will not recommend panic sell. I think this is a shakeout that is going on Quant right now, because there is a lot coming off on Quant. We have that. I always repeat this to you guys. We have the M breach is already live. Okay, we have excuse me. There, we have the M breach is already live. Okay, project Roslyn is going live this month or very soon. Project Roslyn, because we have the approval of stable coins. Okay, what we are waiting for is for the government to approve the policies. Once they approve the policies of stablecoin, Roslyn will go live. As soon as that happens, that will bring you the project gateways, which is quant staking. There is a lot, guys. There is a lot. If only you knew. If only you knew. Like I always say, only if you know what you know. It is like, guys, it is so mind-blowing. Everything going on the background for quant. So it is about to start reflecting in price very, very soon. Do not, don't panic sell. Don't. That's why you see, okay, I tell you this. Look at the way crypto is moving. Everything is dumping 30%, 40%, 50%. And quant only moves from 76 to 69 or 68. And back again to 76. It's not dumping, it's just ranging sideways. It's a sign that this coin has a lot of bullish momentum. Guys, do not panic sell your coins. It's not financial advice. I'm only telling you what I'm doing. I'm holding mine. And you're about to see in my leverage trading position, I'm holding mine. So anyways, now let's go look at Jasmine right quick. Jasmine, let's search here. Jasmine, JASMY, because Jasmine, with the news of their main lockup coming up, Jasmine is doing things that I don't know. Okay, let's look here on this is on the weekly. I want to take in a lower time frame. On the 1 hourly, we'll start here first. Okay, exactly as I predicted. I told you guys, price was gonna go up. Okay, we have this main resistance up here at the 3.2, 3.3. Got rejected. Now we are getting supported by the moving average. What I'm expecting Jasmine to do is to reverse, go above the ribbon and try it again. Go try again. So we're about to see what will happen here, because there's a lot coming up. Even like we have the FMOC meeting, probably is it tomorrow or next tomorrow, one of them. I need to check the calendar. And that, I can tell you guys, even if the Fed did not cut the rates, I think even if they leave them neutral, this is going to push the price of all these coins, like Jasmine, like Quant, like Kaspa, is going to push it up to the upside. That's what I'm expecting to happen right now. So if you go on the 4 hourly, you can see it here, even much more clearer. Okay, Jasmine came is getting supported by the ribbon. It retested that resistance again, so I'm expecting it to start going back up again, try to retest it again for us to see break above 3.3 to go look at the price of the ultimate price here is that 5.5. We will look at how it's going to react. Now when you put this on the weekly, okay, you will see that all this price action here is just a pit stop. It's not the end of this move. This move started, you see this a big bull flag that is being formed, and the target of this bull flag is at that 9 to 10 cents. That is where the ultimate target for Jasmine is. Okay, so guys, a lot of people, they trade using the FMOC meetings. They use that. Okay, for me, I don't. But FMOC meeting, if you understand them, they can tell you, they can give you kind of sentiment on where the market is going, whether it is going up or if it's going to drop. I think the Bitcoin move, the sell-off that happened, was to get ready of the bullish momentum that the FMOC meeting is going to bring. So what does that tell you? You see the way Quant came down. Okay, I think this time we will have enough momentum with Quant to break above those resistance and go try that $80 to $85. And we're about to see Jasmine break above this 3.3 to go try that 4.8 cents. Okay, not only that, we're about to see Kaspa break above the all-time high, start making the journey to up there to 30 or 40 cents. That is exactly what I see right now. So again, it's up to you. You can either follow it or not follow. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only telling you what I'm doing. And that being said, I always say those are opportunities. Okay, you can 5x, 20x, 30x your money. Okay, you can do that. You can use my affiliate links below on Bydfi and Phemex. You can use those links. You sign up and start trading. Okay, now let's go look at my positions right quick. Please follow along, compare with your positions to see how good they're doing or how bad they're doing. So first of all, let's go look at my Bydfi positions, which are my long-term or my seasonal trades. Okay, Bydfi right there. Let's see. I made a video about it last night. I don't know if I was clear enough with it. But anyways, here as you can see, my overall, we're still ranging. I'm still at 27,700 on my overall. Now, when you look at my contracts, okay, on my contracts, you can see here, my Jasmine, I'm still up there at 84%, which is 2,750. My quant, it dropped down to 12%. And those 12% is equal to $600. Okay, now let's go look at the king itself. King Kaspa. As you can see, Kaspa is breaking out, just like I've been preaching for the past few days and weeks. As you can see, my Kaspa is up 100%, which is 8,162. That's what we got right now. My Kaspa breaking out. So yeah, I am very happy with this. Like I said, this is my seasonal trade. Okay, this I plan to keep up onto the top of the bull run, or as close to the top as possible. Now let's go look at my short-term trade, which I trade based on support and resistances, which is on my Phemex. See here, Phemex. Now see, as you can see, my overall, I am up already. Okay, see here, I'm up $12,100. Like I told you guys, this thing is it will move. So looking at our contracts on my Jasmine, I am still up 206%. Oh, not now. 206%. Okay, you can see 206%, which is equal to 3,800. On my Kaspa trade, I am up 42%. You guys remember I was down like 17%. Now I am up 42%, which is 1,800. As you can see, these are the things that I do. I take the profits will be taken on support and resistances, as the same thing goes with Jasmine. Like I told you guys, Jasmine, you got to look at the next resistance, 4.8 cents, then 5.5 cents. When we go past that, start looking at 10 cents on Jasmine. Now we look at Kaspa. We are about to enter price discovery, but according to the charts, this thing is going to take us up there to 41 cents. So 41 cents, when I look at it and see if I can project how much money is going to make me. If I go 0.4, that is 13,500. Yeah, I think I will take a lot of profits out of this. I'll probably even close the entire position and try to open it again once it comes back to like 25 cents or something close to it. That's what I'm telling you guys. That's what I'm about to do. And now, if you look, let's go look at the numbers right quick for Kaspa, because I told you guys, everything goes with the hash rate and the price. So let's go here. I'm going to refresh it a little bit. Right there, we are trading at 19.7, almost 20 cents, with a market cap of $4.8 billion, almost $5 billion. So if you look at this, look at the hash rate. Do you see that? Look at how the hash rate is just getting above the price, and what the price is going to do is going to go past it. They usually play tag. Look at that, how beautiful that is. Look at that. So again, look again at the number of addresses holding more than 10,000 Kaspas. Now we are up 108,000 people holding. Like I always say, all you got to do is buy 10,000 Kaspas and to start this your financial freedom journey. 10,000 Kaspas, you need to start with it. Now look here, isn't that amazing? We only got 3.3%. I'm telling you guys, in 2 weeks, or by the time they announce these smart contracts, not even the real ones, the smart contracts they're working on, this transition will be complete, and then you will hear Grammar Exchange, Binance. Everybody's going to list Kaspa. Oh my God. You guys are just going to sit there and let this opportunity pass you. That's up to you. But I'm telling you, there is a lot of money to be made here. Okay? Open up your positions. Not financial advice, but open up positions. Okay? That being said, guys, thank you for checking out my videos. Please sign up. Okay? Subscribe, comment, share these videos so that other people like you and me with the millionaire-minded people who are millionaire-minded people can join, and we can get to at least 5,000 subscribers. Don't forget, you need a Tangent wallet. You need this thing. This thing will keep your crypto safe, guys. Okay? That being said, please be careful and be safe out there, and I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye.